Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English Wala YouTuber. So I hope you are doing well and learning English language great way. So guys, as you know that I upload topic wise video. So why actually if I upload topic wise video, so I think it may be very helpful those who is beginner. So that is why just I try to upload topic wise video, so then it may be fruitful and it may be helpful for those who is beginner. So guys, stay tuned this video till the end. I am going to share one of particular topic which is pollution. Yeah, first of all I will tell you what is the pollution and how many type of pollution are there, and then step by step I would like to explain about pollution. So guys, pollution is most critical environmental crisis facing our planet today. It comes when harmful contaminants created largely by human activities, so then it happens. So there are three type of pollution. First one is water pollution, second one is air pollution, third one is sound pollution. So guys, let me tell you step by step water pollution, air pollution and sound pollution. So guys, you know, I am not saying that everywhere is contaminated water are there. Means some of places like that city area, Mumbai, Delhi, Pune, Gujarat. So there is a coastal area. So that is why it may be water condition is not good. So that is why it's happening. Water is not perfect. So that is why we are facing some of problem who is living in other state or other big city. So that is why they are facing. So if water is not good, so what we should do? We should not consume that contaminate water. So we should consume purify water. So then it may be better for our health and our life will be good. So sometimes what happen if we are going somewhere and I think it's not covering water, some of places they just put some of water for drinking purpose. So I think if it's not perfectly close covering, so I think we should not consume that kind of water. Yeah, really it's contaminated water. So if water is covering some of places, it's good, so we can consume, we can drink, so it may be better for our health. So guys, water only not one side, second side, one place to other place, everywhere water is very necessary. So then we can survive our life, otherwise I think it's not possible to survive. Without water we can't survive. So we should consume water very clear, very clean, and then we can survive and we can live good way. And if I talk about second point like that air pollution, so as compared to previous day, nowadays our environment is not good, so that is why it's defected our air pollution. Air is not good. I am not saying that everywhere. I think who is living in village area, so that person they can take good air and clean and neat air they can get. But who is living in city area, I think it's not clean, it's not pure air. Why? Actually in city area some of mill factory it's running, so that is why how can it possible to get good air. Yeah, when smoke is come on that mill, so definitely our air will be destroyed. I can say that we can't get good air. Every time we are consuming contaminated air, so it's impact our body and our health. So sometimes you see guys, some of people who is living in city area, so if they face any problem, so they can't recover very soon. If they went their hometown, so then they recover very soon. Otherwise I think if they are staying there and if they are taking some medicine, I think it's not properly work on that disease. So why? Actually there is not good air, there is contaminated air and water. So that is why they are facing and they are not recovering their disease. And if they come at home, so that time I think here is nowadays as compared to previous and nowadays it's not good, but I think little bit good, and then after they can recover their disease and then they can feel good. So that is why some of people when they face some of disease and then after they come back at home and then they can recover their disease. After recovering and after completing their health and then again they can go. So this is happening. And if I talk about third part, I mean sound pollution. So really sound pollution also it's impact our body and health also. I mean if you are living in city area, so everywhere you can listen some of noise like that vehicle noise and some of people noise, some of train noise. Actually there are a crowded area. So that is why everywhere you can listen some of noise. So whole day you can survive, you can bear that kind of noise, but when it comes to at night while sleeping, so I think it's not possible to sleep very well. So if you are facing every day that kind of noise problem, so how can we possible to take a deep sleep? It's not possible. So if you are not getting sleep properly, so I think after few years it may be impact your body. So then if impact our body, so definitely we can face some of disease. So if we are not taking good sleep, so our health will be not good. So that is why if we want to live good life, so we have to sleep good way, very calm way. So then our health will be good and we can live long life. Otherwise, I mean every person they need to sleep good way near about 6 to 7, 8 more than 8 hours, and then our health will be good. So that is why what happens, some of people they have their compulsion. So that is why they are living in city area where is not good place like that water pollution and air pollution and sound pollution. They are bearing, they are facing that kind of problem. Actually they can't do anything. It's their compulsion. It's they need to earn some of money. So that is why they are facing and they are surviving their life. But overall my intention is there, whatever it may be possible. So I think we should refrain that kind of pollution, air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. If we are refraining that kind of pollution, so definitely it may be better our life, our future, and then we can survive very good way. So guys, this is what I wanted to share in this video. So I hope you are getting my point and you are getting some of help this video. So if you, then please like, share and subscribe. So we will see in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.